Hello everyone. Today we are going to do maths of standard 4. This is lesson number 12, perimeter and area. So let's get started. In this lesson we are going to learn about perimeter and area. Now let us first understand what is a perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. Edge means boundary. Like here I have got a square. If you see all the four sides of the square, the edge or the boundary, they are the perimeter. What is that called? Perimeter. Now suppose if I want to put a lace on my handkerchief, this is my handkerchief. Now how am I supposed to purchase the lace? What I can do? I can take a piece of thread, hold it one end of the thread at one corner of the handkerchief and then slowly unwind the thread along all its four sides. When we reach the corner from where we started, we can cut the thread. And now we'll have the length of the thread, which is actually the lace which we need to put on the handkerchief. Now if you pay attention, this square is having four corners. If I name them, they'll be A, B, C and D. Now if I see the sides, side AB, side BC, side CD, side DA. Now if I add all the sides, यही सब sides को अगर मैंने add कर दिया, what I'll get? I'll get the perimeter. So perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of all the four sides of the square. So all the four sides I have to total, I get the perimeter of the square. Now if there is a rectangular field and I want to put a fence, उसको side से wiring करनी है मुझे. Then how again I am going to get the length? मुझे length कैसे पता चलेगी wire की? Again we have to measure from one corner of the rectangular field to the last all the four sides. We get the length of the wire we need. Again here like a square we have four sides. If we put the marking A, B, C, D, we get four sides of a rectangle. Now if you add side AB, BC, CD and DA, if we add all the sides, what do we get? We get the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of all the four sides of the rectangle. So all the four sides when we add up together of a rectangle, that is a perimeter. Now which shape is this? Yes, it is a triangle. And how many sides a triangle has? A triangle has three sides. Now again if I want to know the perimeter or the length of the sides, what can I do? I can measure all the three sides. Then if I mark all the three sides, the sides will be A, B and C. And if I take the sides, side AB, side BC and side CA, if I add all these three together, what do I get? Yes, I get the perimeter. So perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of all the three sides of a triangle. So if you want the perimeter of a triangle, what we should have? We should have the sum or the total of all the three sides of a triangle. Now this figure shows a rectangle whose sides are 3 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm and 2 centimeters. Now let us find out its perimeter. Now how to find out its perimeter? The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of all four sides. So we are going to add 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. We are going to add all the sides and how much do we get? We get 10. Therefore the perimeter of this rectangle is 10 centimeter. Okay. The next picture, let us see. The figure alongside is a square and all of its sides are 2 centimeter long. Let us find the perimeter of the square. Now what is a perimeter? The perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of its four sides. So we have to total all the four sides. So how we will total? Yes, we'll total all the four sides, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, we get the answer 8. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is 8 centimeter. Okay. Now, next picture. Now, what is given over here? Yes, it is a triangle. The sides of the triangle here are 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter long. Let us find out the perimeter of the triangle. Now, what is the perimeter of a triangle? The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of its 3 sides. So, we'll be adding 4 plus 5 plus 6. What do we get? We get 15. Therefore, the perimeter of this triangle is 15 centimeters. So, understood perimeter, we have to add all the given sides. Let's take one more example. Now, here the sides of a rectangular field are 150 meter, 120 meter, 150 meter and 120 meter. Find the perimeter of the field. So first we'll define what is a perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangular field is the sum of the length of its 4 sides. That is 150 plus 120 plus 150 plus 120. So what do we get the total? We get the total 540. So what will be my answer? The perimeter of the rectangular field is 540 meters. So I hope you have understood this. Now what we have seen, perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape, that is perimeter. Now what is an area? Area measures the space inside a shape. I'll explain you. Now if you see the square, all the 4 sides, all the distance around the outside of the shape, that is the shape or the boundary, the distance, that is the perimeter. And what is the area? Yes, the figure inside जो अंदर है, that is the area, that is called the area. So outside the boundary is called perimeter. When we add up all the 4 sides or 3 sides, we get the perimeter, and area is the space which is occupied inside जो figure के अंदर है, that is the area. Now we'll see an example. Here Sumatai has brought chickies for her brother and sister Saina and Virat, and both are fighting. One is having a square shape and the other one is having rectangular. So both are fighting that Saina is telling I am having more, Virat is telling I am having more. So what Sumatai is telling, don't fight, count the number of chicky squares you have. If you see, there are squares on the chickies. So when Saina is counting, she is getting 16 squares of chicky. And when Virat is counting, even he is getting 16 squares of chicky. So Sumata is telling, now both are having 16 squares of chicky. So what is the need for fighting? That means both have the same amount of chicky. So Sumata is explaining there that the thickness of the squares of chicky is same. So when we measure their surface, there are 16 squares of equal measure on both slabs of chicky. So one is of rectangle shape and the other is a square shape. But if you see inside, both are having 16 squares. Therefore, both Virat and Saina have got the same amount of chicky. So what this explains, on any surface, the measure of the place occupied by a figure is the area of that figure. So if you see the length, the sides are different, but the area which is occupied, that is same for both the chickies. So when we measure, the measure of a figure should be the same no matter who measures it. Hence, a square of side 1 centimeter is used as the standard unit of measurement of area. So what is used as the standard measurement of area? A square of side 1 centimeter. The area of a figure is given in square centimeters. So what is the area of a figure is given? It is given in square. If nothing is mentioned, कुछ नहीं mention किया, then we have to assume that 1 square is of 1 centimeter and the area is written as square centimeters. Okay. So let us take the first picture. To find out the area of this rectangular piece of paper, let us count the number of squares with sides of 1 centimeter on the paper. So we are assuming that the sides are 1 centimeter on the paper, and now let us count the squares. So how many squares we are getting? We are getting 10 squares. So the area is 10 square centimeter. What is the area then? 10 square centimeter. Let us see the next picture. To find out the area of the shape given alongside, let us count the number of squares with sides 1 centimeter in it. So area of the shape is equal to number of squares. So how many squares we are getting? 9. Therefore area of the shape is 9 square centimeter. So what is the area? 9 square centimeter. So I hope you have understood area. If you see in this picture, there is a big table, rectangular table is given. This big rectangular table is 3 meters long and 2 meters wide. The surface of the table is to be laminated and a border tape has to be fitted along its sides. For this we must find out how much laminate and what length of border tape is required. The laminate will occupy the top surface of the table. Therefore, to find out how much laminate is needed, we must find the area of the tabletop. The border tape will be fitted along the sides of the surface. Hence, to find out the length of border tape needed, we need to find out the perimeter of the tabletop. Here the size of the table is large. So to find the area, let us use squares with sides of length 1 meter. Now we had seen that we have to use size of squares. The side should be 1 centimeter, but here the table is big, so we will use the length of 1 meter. A square with side 1 meter has an area of 1 square meter. So what is the square of 1 with side 1 meter has an area? It has an area of 1 square meter. Measurement of laminate is equal to area of the tabletop. The area of the tabletop is what? Number of squares occupying the tabletop. So how many squares are occupying the tabletop? 6. So what is the area? It is 6 square meter. Now we have to find out the length of border tape. For that we have to find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sides of the table. Sum of the sides of the table. So what we will do? We will add 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So how much do we get? We get 10 meter. So the length of border tape needed is 10 meters. So you understood how we found out the area? We found out the area by counting the number of squares and perimeter by adding the sides of the table. So I hope area and perimeter is clear to you. Now let us find the area of the following figures. All small squares are of 1 square centimeter area. So what is the size of all small square? They are 1 square centimeter area. So if you see this I-card which is given, it is divided into small squares. So how many squares are there on this? Yes, there are 24 squares. So it is having an area of 24 square centimeter. What is the area of that I-card? 24 square centimeter. Now if you see this square is having how many boxes? How many squares? Small squares? 4. So what is the area? 4 square centimeter. Now here if you count, you have 8 squares or 8 square centimeter is the area. Here how many boxes are there? Yes, 7. So what is the area? 7 square centimeter. So this way area is to be found out. I hope this is easy for you.